and the commodity is very important right now is silver, and
Yes.
this is the new gold. And yeah, we can talk about in two phases. One is structural changes in silver demand and supply. And other thing is that the secondary factor is monetary policies, tariff tensions and all. So what we have seen in past decades, the industrial demand of silver, it has risen by 56%, more than 56%. When you talk about the supply side, the mining sector, it will peak in 2026. So the concern is that demand is rising and the supply side, it is going to see the peak in 2026. It is just 1.5 years ago, from now here. So yes, so this is the concern that the supply side is increasing and demand side is increasing and supply side it is in deficit. If we consider 2025, as per the projections, again we are going to see a year of deficit when we talk about supply side. So 5 year in continuation we can see the deficit and demand is rising. So the major factor is industrial demand. If we talk about the solar demand, it is going to increase by another 80% through from 2026 to 2030, and it is a global we can say that numbers 80% rise we can see in the global demand of solar plates, and in every solar plates there is a contribution of silver. So photovoltaic demand in last few years it has rose to 176%. So this is a massive number which is giving silver higher side. So this is the structural changes we have seen in silver demand, and rest of the deficit what we have seen in jewelry fabrication, photography demand, it is compensated by the industrial demand. On supply side, we have seen decline in Mexico mines, which is the largest producers of silver. Apart from that, there are some new trends in silver, like Russia. It has recently it said that they are going to accumulate silver, and their central banks they are now ready to accumulate silvers. They can hold silver apart from gold. So now from a strategic industrial metal it is going to be a strategic metal. So this is the new trend in silver. Another thing is that we haven't seen a major massive demand investment demand in silver, but now 2022 2023 onwards we have seen a flood of like ETF demand in silver. We can see the same trend in Indian ETF demand as well. So there are structural changes which is giving a strong rally in this silver counter, and this time it is going to stay because last time we have seen that okay it touched the level of $37 and then it has seen the decline of $12, $13, $14. But this time we are going to see higher highs, higher lows in silver.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.